Hello Year 9, this is the second lesson of the week, so you will need to still be working on ordering food at the restaurant. So today we're going to be looking at a proper full conversation about ordering food and drinks, and you will need to be looking as well at how what other people are ordering, and you will create your own conversation as if you are ordering your dinner in a restaurant. So for this you will need a pen or pencil, book or paper, or your laptop if you're using a laptop or tablet to work on. As usual, you're starting today's lesson by écrivez la date and copier le titre, manger au restaurant, and then souligner both of them with a ruler. So today's starter, you can see on the right-hand side a conversation between a waiter and a customer in a restaurant. So that conversation, out of it, for the green box, you're going to need to translate the colored words. So un orangina, des lasagnes maison, une salade verte, une glace à la fraise, and 11 euros. That's your green task. Just write them straight in English. Once you've done that, your amber task is for you to translate the questions. So, vous désirez une boisson, vous désirez un plat, prenez-vous une entrée, prenez-vous un dessert. And finally, for your red task, you need to translate the whole conversation. Don't forget you have got a vocab sheet that you can use to help you if you are not sure about some of the words. So pause the video, do your starter, and then come back to the video. Right, so your next task is a reading task. For this, you will need to go into the instructions on class charts, and you will need to retrieve the document called Harry Potter at the Restaurant Reading Task. And you will need to work from this paper. You will need to look at what each of the three characters are saying, and you will need to write down in the table on the middle of the paper what they are ordering from the pictures at the bottom. So if Hermione says, for example, that she wants a coffee, find the picture for the coffee and write the letter down under her name in the grid. So that's your green task. For your red task, you will need to be looking at what hasn't been used out of the pictures, and you will need to translate the ones that have not been put in the grid. Look at the instructions, go and retrieve the reading task, work on it, and come back to the video. Your final task, Year 9, will be for you to write your own conversation. So, using the conversation that's on the slide in front of you, you can see that you've got some blue boxes with a question mark in it. So, for each box, you need to be putting down an element of the conversation. You may want to look back at today's starter, so you've got an idea of what you are expected to put in each box. I obviously do not want the conversation from the starter rewritten as this one. So you need to create your own conversation, but replace the elements from the starter with whatever you want. And finally, for the red task, instead of the je voudrais expression, what could you put that means the same thing, such as I would love or I would like, but the other I would like. So try and find me expressions to replace je voudrais. Okay, and now this is it. Before you close the video, you need to make sure that you know what you're uploading onto class chart. So I need your starter task, which was the conversation with the conversation vocabulary. I need your reading task with the Harry Potter tasks, and I need your own ordering conversation uploaded as well. Thank you.